My name is Sadie and this is Artlife. I made this beautiful picture using texture and paint. Do you like it? I used texture and water to make the texture turn into paint. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Do you want to see? Welcome to Artlife. Today we're going to be drawing a rainbow. My name's Sadie. You'll need some textures and some water and a white piece of paper. Let's get started. First it starts with red, then orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, and then purple. We're going to draw a rainbow and a unicorn under it. Let's start with the rainbow. An oval shape, but only one bump. There you go. Have this one. These are one of the textures I have. I didn't know rainbow had 3 reds. I've done red and I've done orange, and now we have to do yellow. Up, and then across, and then down. Now we have to use green. And then we have to use blue. And then we have to use purple. And now the sky. I'm just doing big lines across with blue for the sky. And then I'm going to put some birds in it. I'm doing M's for the birds. Now I'm going to draw the sun. You have to do a circle and then colour the circle in with yellow. And then do lines on the circle with yellow. Now I'm going to do some trees. I mean some flowers. Now I'm going to do some flowers. I have to do a big line like this, and then 2 bumps, but only one, and then 2 bumps. And then get a pretty colour out. And then do a circle on the line, and then get another pretty colour out, and then do bumps, and then do bumps, and then we need to do bumps. and then colour them in. Now I'm going to get green out again for the other side. Do a line, a bump, and then colour the bumps in. And then get a pretty colour out. And draw a circle. Put it back in, and then get another pretty colour out and do some bumps. And now I'm going to do a flying unicorn. Do a big circle for its body, and then do a little circle for its head, and then do some eyes. There. And now some unicorn legs. They have 4 legs. 2 on one side and then 2 on the other side. Can I do it now? I have to do one line like that, and then another line like that. It should be, for the unicorn's horn, has to be an upside down V. I'm going to do a rainbow horn. I'm gonna do a pink horn. A pink horn. Now one there, and then color the upside down V in whatever color you like this one. And now you can choose what color for the body. And I'm gonna do maybe a pink and purple one. Pink and purple body, that colour. And I'm gonna do some big lines from the bottom up to the top. Do a few lines going down to the bottom from up to the top of the body. Like this. You can choose your 2 favourite colours like pink and purple, but you can choose 2 of your favourite colours for the mane. You like how I coloured in my unicorn? It's a pink and purple unicorn. Now I'm going to add water to the texture. What do you think's going to happen? I think the texture is going to turn into paint. How fun. It did. Look how it turned into paint. Look how the texture turned into paint. That's so awesome, isn't it? Okay, I'll do some gently. Roller break. For my next break, it's going to be a water break. When I'm thirsty, it's just a water break. Water break. It's turning into paint. Isn't that awesome? Now I'm going to do the other flower and make it turn into paint by adding water to the texture. Now I'm going to do the sky. clean this. Look what happened. The sun was yellow and the sky was blue, and then it mixed together to make the sun green. Now, done. Have a look at this picture. It's so beautiful. Look at this picture. It's so beautiful. Can you learn to put water on the paint to make the texture turn into paint and make it mix together and create a rainbow, unicorn, flower, sun, sky, bird picture. I made this beautiful picture using texture and paint. Do you like it? It's as simple as that. I hope you really enjoyed doing this picture with using texture and water to make it turn into paint. I hope you enjoy creating unicorns, the sky, a sun, flowers and rainbow. To create an artwork just like this. Make sure you give us a thumbs up if you like this page. And subscribe to the Artlife YouTube channel. YouTube channel. This is Sadie signing off. See you later.